Unlocking the secret of sleep, the tale of counting sheep. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's often whispered in the quietest hours of the night, like counting sheep. Have you ever tossed and turned, trying to summon sleep? Well, you're not alone. And this phrase is all about the age-old method many use to drift off into dreamland. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday English. The phrase, like counting sheep, is a classic idiom used to describe the act of trying to fall asleep by mentally picturing sheep and counting them one by one. The idea is that this repetitive and mundane task will help calm the mind, distract from stressful thoughts, and lead to sleepiness. It's akin to a mental exercise that lulls the brain into a state of relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep. The concept of counting sheep as a means to induce sleep is believed to have its roots in ancient times. Some sources suggest it originated from shepherds in Britain or elsewhere in Europe, who would count their sheep to ensure all were accounted for before they themselves could settle down and sleep peacefully. This practice became metaphorically linked to the process of trying to fall asleep, evolving into the phrase we know today. The phrase can be used in various contexts, not just literally for falling asleep. Here are a few examples. To express boredom, that lecture was like counting sheep. I almost dozed off. As a sleep aid suggestion, if you're having trouble sleeping, try counting sheep. It might help. To describe a monotonous task, doing data entry is like counting sheep. It's so repetitive that it's almost soothing. In conversation, it's a light-hearted way to discuss sleep issues or boring situations without delving into serious advice or complaints. There you have it, the secret behind the phrase, like counting sheep. Whether you're actually counting these fluffy creatures in your head or just using the phrase to describe a dull moment, it's a part of the English language that's both charming and useful. We hope this video has provided you with some interesting insights and perhaps even a new method to try on those restless nights. Sweet dreams and see you in the next video.